Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best tower ball is probably one of the most exciting and engaging toys to hit the market in years, offering a unique blend of physical activity and strategic gameplay that can be enjoyed by individuals and groups alike. Its innovative design challenges players to build and defend their towers against incoming balls, fostering quick reflexes, hand-eye coordination, and a competitive spirit that keeps everyone on their toes. Whether you're looking for a fun way to get some exercise, a game to liven up a party, or a unique challenge to test your skills, Tower Ball delivers an unforgettable experience that's easy to learn but difficult to master, making it a standout choice for entertainment. Number 5. Tot Tube Playset Toy Car and Ball Ramp Racetrack. Get ready for endless car and ball racing action. These tubes connect in a flash, making it easy to set up for fun anywhere. It works with almost any brand of toy car you already own, and even with balls. You can connect them to make a track up to 45 inches long. Prop it up against furniture or stairs for racing fun. The transparent middle piece lets you watch the cars zoom through, and it easily comes apart for storage. Build it in a flash with no tools or complicated instructions. It's 100% pure STEM toy action, perfect for kids aged 2 and up. Buy 2 sets to race side by side with a friend or connect them for one extra long track. Get ready for hours of enjoyment. What we like. This toy is incredibly easy to set up and take down, making it perfect for spontaneous play sessions. If you're looking for a toy that's compatible with both cars and balls, and can be easily stored or transported, this is a fantastic choice for on-the-go fun. What people say. The Tower Ball is a fantastic toy that provides hours of fun and engagement for kids. Its unique design and interactive features make it a standout choice for children's entertainment. The durable construction ensures it can withstand active play, making it a long-lasting addition to any toy collection. Number 4. Doogcat 3-Level Cat Ball Track Toy. Discover the ultimate interactive toy designed to keep your feline friend entertained and engaged. This exciting toy is perfect for stimulating your cat's natural instincts. Specifically sized for kittens and small cats, this toy offers a safe and stimulating play experience. It's designed to capture their attention and encourage active play. With 3 levels of tracks, your cat can chase and bat at the balls for hours of fun. You can even add bells for extra excitement and engagement. Crafted from natural, solid wood, this toy is built to last and is much sturdier than plastic alternatives. Its smooth finish ensures the balls move freely without getting stuck. This interactive toy promotes both physical and mental exercise, helping to prevent boredom and destructive behaviors. It's a great way to keep your cat happy and healthy. No assembly required. Your cat can start playing right out of the box. It's designed for immediate fun and interaction. What we like. This interactive toy is designed to keep your feline friends engaged and entertained for hours. If you have kittens or small cats that need mental and physical stimulation, and you appreciate durable, natural materials, this is the perfect way to ensure they stay active and happy. What people say. The Tower Ball is a great addition to our family game nights, providing hours of fun and engagement for everyone. Its unique design and challenging gameplay make it a standout game that encourages strategic thinking and friendly competition. The quality of the materials used in the Tower Ball is impressive, ensuring durability and long-lasting enjoyment. Number 3. Fat Brain Toys Roll and Bounce Tower. Introducing the Roll and Bounce Tower, a fun and engaging ball run designed for little ones. It's perfect for toddlers and kids to explore. This large tower features a unique trampoline that adds an exciting bounce to the ball's journey. Watch it drop, bounce, and land with delight. With curving tracks and spinning obstacles, every roll is an adventure. It keeps little hands and minds entertained as they learn. Designed for ages 12 months and up, this toy is BPA-free, ensuring a safe play experience for your child. It helps encourage fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and understanding of cause and effect through play. This set comes with 27 track and tower pieces, 3 dual-tone balls, and easy-to-follow building instructions to get the fun started right away. What we like. This toy offers a unique bouncing feature that adds an exciting element to ball play. If you're looking for a beginner ball run that encourages fine motor skills and teaches cause and effect in a fun, engaging way for toddlers, this is an excellent option. What people say. The tower ball is a great way to keep your kids entertained for hours. It's easy to set up and take down, making it perfect for travel. The durable construction ensures it will last for many play sessions. Number 2. YITAHOME 72.8 inches tall cat tree tower with leaves. Introducing a fun and engaging cat tree designed to keep your cats entertained. It offers a variety of activities to satisfy their natural instincts. This cat tree features a built-in self-grooming brush. It gently massages your cat while helping to collect loose fur, making grooming a breeze. With interactive toys like dangling balls and pom-poms, your cats will stay engaged and active. Sisal-wrapped posts encourage healthy scratching, protecting your furniture. Standing at an impressive 72.8 inches, this multi-level tower provides ample space for several cats to climb, play, and rest simultaneously. It's perfect for homes with multiple feline companions. Crafted with soft, plush materials, it offers a luxurious napping experience. The spacious condo, elevated perch, and cozy hammock provide ultimate comfort and security. Built with sturdy posts and an enlarged base, this cat tower ensures maximum stability. An anti-tipping device provides an extra layer of safety for your peace of mind. What we like. This is an expansive play structure designed for multiple feline companions. If you have several cats and want to provide them with ample space to scratch, climb, play, and rest, while also offering a convenient self-grooming feature, this tall tower is an ideal solution. What people say. The wide base is sturdy and solid, and for all her climbing and jumping it remained completely stable. The colors are the same as the pictures, every feature is present, and all the platforms and poles are sturdy. The texture is so soft and nice, and overall it was super easy to put together. Number 1. The Crystal Bible Series. Discover the ancient wisdom and profound energy of crystals. This comprehensive guide will illuminate their properties and uses. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced enthusiast, this book is your ultimate resource. Learn to harness their natural vibrations for well-being. Journey through a stunning collection of crystals, each with unique characteristics. Understand their meanings and how they can enhance your life. Gain practical insights into selecting, cleansing, and working with your crystals. Empower yourself with this essential knowledge. This is the definitive guide you've been searching for. It provides clear, accessible information for all your crystal needs. What we like. This resource is an excellent starting point for anyone interested in the world of crystals. If you are new to crystal healing or simply want a detailed reference for identifying and understanding the properties of various crystals, this book is a must-have. What people say. The Tower Ball is a great addition to any home gym, offering a full-body workout that can be customized to your fitness level. The unique design of the Tower Ball allows for a wide range of exercises, targeting different muscle groups with each movement. Its compact size makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for those with limited space or who travel frequently. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.